welcome to my new cooking show. And today we're gonna make dragon's egg in a nest.
Ooh.
I make it with a gluten-free sugar cookie and some Danimals candy squeezables with a black grape on top just for a healthy touch.
Oh, I love that.
What are the ingredients?
It's Danimal squeezables, a sugar
Some of
cookie,
those are carnivores.
and some grapes. I put in
No. And
okay,
now,
today I'm gonna eat it
for the first time.
for the first time. I hope it tastes good.
It is going to taste so delicious. I can tell already. Yummy. That's okay. No worries. Here,
We
put
have
another
another.
one on there. Do you love it? It is so tasty, I bet, huh?
Try it.
Oh,
Let's put a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's squeeze the yogurt. And then, what a mess.
It's okay. Here, I'll put my
And
hand
then,
Here.
down. And now we're going to try another bite
now
with the grape
the
on it.
grape on it.
Oh.
Well, your audience, I'm recording you. Your audience, Mia, your audience is watching. Do it for your audience.
Excellent. Ooh.
Grab the whole
That's
thing.
a nice
yeah,
bite.
yeah.
There you go.
Oh,
Bite.
there
Yummy.
you.
That's okay.
It's okay. Wow.
That's okay. No worries.
It's okay.
You're okay. Here. Oh,
All right.
you did a nice job. Did you just eat the grape? You just ate the grape? Yeah. I don't see a grape down there. You just ate the grape. That is so delicious,
No,
wasn't
the grape dropped down there.
it? It did? Okay, but you had a little half bite of it? Do you love it or do you...
I kind of like it, but
Yeah.
it makes me throw up one day.
Yeah, maybe the whole thing, there's just a lot of food to eat at one time. But I think you did an excellent job.